one-click video packages with YouTube Creator AI. Come to the Topic Scout here on the left-hand side. Let's say you're a channel that does real estate. Let's say you're a real estate agent, you're an investor. So let's go ahead and find trends. While that's going on here, we're going to go to the audience per persona here, and let's put in real estate, investing, and tips. So now we can generate an audience per a persona. So this is going to give us an example of what type of videos that you should make on YouTube and what people are searching for. So aspiring Alex, it gives us some viewer goals here to understand the foundation steps of real estate in investing, what some pain points are, feeling overwhelmed with the sheer volume of information and jargon in real estate, step-by-step guides and beginner-friendly tutorials. And then it gives us some suggested video topics: your first rental property, how to find off-market real estate deals like a pro. So let's save those. So while that was going on here, our Topic Scout ran, and this is going to give us 5 trending topics for real estate. Of course, the mortgage rate roller coaster is going to tell us why it's trending, an angle that we can take on it, and how to film it. Renters market revival, 2026 housing market forecasts, top 5 hidden gem cities. So these are all great ideas that people are searching for on YouTube right now. So if you're doing real estate, these are some great topics to do. So let's go ahead and click this topic here. So we can do a couple things. We can ask AI a little bit more about it, or we can just start creating a video package. So let's just click it. Now this is going to take us up to the title generator here, and now this carried over our topics. We're going to generate titles. Let's come down to description and keywords and generate that as well. And let's generate a thumbnail concept. These generators are going to take a little bit longer because, once again, these are using like a live Google search. They're going to verify that any information that we're using for our video, it's going to do a live Google search, going to check for some keywords, and it's going to optimize all this for YouTube. So typically we're going to get the descriptions maybe a little bit quicker. It's going to give us a full description that we can use for YouTube, give us some long tail keywords, short tail keywords, and a suggested file name. Okay, our titles are done here as well. It's going to tell us why this title works, and it's going to rank this for us. So we really already have, hey, this is what we should do a YouTube video about. It's going to rank these titles, and really you can use any of these 2 titles here, and it's going to perform well. And be sure to save all these to notes. It's going to give us a full description. We can save that to notes. You can add anything else that you want here, and you can save that. Let's save the keywords, short tail keywords, suggested file name. It gives us a thumbnail concept, what it should look like. A confident, joyful person, can be a renter or an investor. Some suggested captions that we can use for the thumbnail. Then we can actually generate an image. If you're a real estate agent or an investor, you can use this as just for the background, and then put your face on top of the overall all image. But once again, we're just clicking here. So this can be a great thumbnail image that you can use. You can change this to have some suggested captions, change some of the text here. So this gives us everything we need for our thumbnail. You can download that as well. If you want to add your own image on top of this, like your business logo, you can add an image here. So we have our thumbnail, we have our topics here. Let's go ahead and save all of these topics. Here's some other tools that you can check out as well. But for this example, we're just looking at this real estate package. So now that we have the title, the topics, let's go ahead and get an outline for the scripts. You can generate a script outline if you're on camera and you're talking. That this is going to help. If you're doing a voiceover, you can have a full script here as well, and generate what type of script that you're looking for. So really here we've just been doing clicks. We haven't had to do any sort of additional research. We haven't had to leave the tool here. Once we have like the titles, why that tool's running, we can compare some titles here in our A/B testing lab. But now that the script is done, let's get back to it. So the script outline: renters market revival, how to snag a deal or profit as an investor. Here's a hook. It's going to give us an introduction, some main points to cover. So this is a great script. It does some research for us. So we definitely have everything covered here, and we can save that to notes. If you like this script, you can hit generate full script, and it's going to carry it all over here for you as well. And we do have some additional tools that you can use for this particular video. But now that we have everything saved, we can come down to our scratch pad, and all of our titles are here, our video descriptions here, our keywords. So we have everything we need for our video. You can email these notes to you. You can just simply click save as HTML. All these notes will save on your local computer. And now you have all your video titles. You can choose which one you want or use some of the advanced features. Have our video description, keywords, thumbnail concepts, the trending topics. Everything's here for you. So one-click video ideas, just come to YouTube Creator AI. It's totally free. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Before you make your next video on YouTube, do this. Come to YouTube Creator AI, come to the audience persona. Come down here and put in your channel niche or description. So in this example, we're going to do tech reviews like the iPhone 17. Generate an audience persona. So here you can put in your whatever your channel niche or description, and it's going to give us an example audience member. Okay, so especially if you're a new creator and you don't really know who your audience is yet, you want to be sure you're making videos that people are looking for on YouTube. So it's going to have some viewer goals here, stay informed about the latest advancements, some pain points, some content preferences, and then some suggested video topics. So let's go ahead and take one of these suggested video topics. Let's save these first. Hidden iPhone 17 features you didn't know existed. So let's copy this and let's put this in the full script outline here. So let's paste this here, and we're going to generate a full script outline first for this video. If you're an on camera, you can use this as an outline while you do a review or a video about these specific features. While we're waiting for that outline, let's go up to the title generator, and we're gonna paste this as a topic, and it's going to give us some recommended titles. And once we put it in the title generator, it'll carry to the description and keywords. So let's generate that as well. And then let's generate a thumbnail concept. So while those are running, let's come back to the video script outline here, and it gives us a script here that's going to have a hook. Just snag the brand new iPhone 17. But what if I told you that even after diving into all its flashy upgrades, you're probably missing out on at least 5 incredible hidden features? And it has an introduction, and it really gives you some of those hidden features here that you can be sure to cover, the main points. So what this does is does a live Google search here to make sure that the outline here is going to have some specific details. So let's save that outline as well. So now we have a great outline. We know who our audience is. Let's come back up to the title generator. It's going to give us 5 great optimized titles. It's going to rank them here so we can save all of these to notes if you're unsure about what title to use. But I would just look at the ratings here. This is the number 1. If you're going to do 17 hidden features, you may want to change how many hidden features that you're going to feature with the iPhone 17. Here's the top. This one has the top 7 iPhone 17 hidden features. Now we can come down to our description and keywords. So this gives us a description that we can use for our video. It gives us some keywords that we can copy and paste into YouTube once we have the video complete. It gives us a suggested file name. And then we have a thumbnail concept here, some suggested captions, and then we can go ahead and create even a thumbnail, depending on what you want to do and the video angle. We can look at these concepts. This is what the thumbnail should look like. A sleek, modern iPhone 17 is held by hand, prominently displaying its screen. So that should be what the thumbnail should look like. And this gives us an example thumbnail that we can definitely use. We can change some of the captions here. So before you even make your video, you have everything that you need with this tool. We're going to go ahead and download it. So we have the audience persona here. We have our script outline, and then we have our titles up here and our descriptions and keywords, and we've been saving all of those. Once those are saved, they're all going to come to your scratch pad here. Now you have some great titles to choose from, all your video descriptions, your audience persona, and now you can just simply save this as an HTML, and this is going to save to your local notes on your computer, and you have all of the information here. So before you even create your video, come to YouTube Creator AI to make sure you're creating a video to the correct audience. You have some titles ready to go, your descriptions and keywords. Check it out. It's totally free. YouTubeCreatorAI.com.